Before you throw that iPhone away, watch this. If your screen says iPhone lock to owner or activation lock, you might think the phone is completely useless. Thousands of people get stuck here after a reset, and most of the videos online either don't work or try to sell you something. But today, I'm going to show you a method that could help you get past this problem step by step. Here's the catch. This only works if you follow everything exactly as I do it. Skip one step, close the video too early, or do something out of order, and you'll probably end up right back where you started. I've tested this on multiple iPhone models and different iOS versions, and I'll also explain what to do if your device behaves differently. So stay with me until the end before you try anything. And if your iPhone still isn't working after following the guide, drop your exact iPhone model and iOS version in the comments. I'll personally help you find the right solution. All right, let's unlock that iPhone.